The chart of the day is brought to you by Crypto.com, the world's fastest growing crypto app.
MicroStrategy is out with its latest earnings report. The company posted an impairment charge of $24.1 million on its Bitcoin holdings in the second quarter. Well, that hasn't stopped shares from rising. They're up 15% in the past month. And joining us now to discuss is ProChain Capital President David Tawil. Welcome, David.
Hey, Lawrence. Good morning.
Good to see you again. I got to ask you about MicroStrategy here. We probably have different opinions on it, of course. This is a company that's gone and it seems to have abandoned what it does and is focused on hoarding Bitcoin at this point. $4.5 billion worth of Bitcoin on its balance sheet right now. I don't even think its market cap it adds up to what it used to value the company itself, plus the added Bitcoin. So at what point do investors say, you know what, there's an ETF coming out potentially? There are other ways to invest in crypto other than hoping Michael Saylor can leverage into the capital markets and buy a ton of Bitcoin?
That's a great question. Said differently, does MicroStrategy, as it currently exists, as it seems to be going, have a finite shelf life in light of the developments in the sector? As of now, we don't have the spot Bitcoin ETF in the United States. We've got a lot of clamoring. MicroStrategy still fills a need, let's say, in the marketplace in some way. It's certainly, easier to buy and sell than GBTC. And it's obviously operated somewhat differently. And on top of that, the most significant point out of yesterday's earnings call from MicroStrategy is the fact that they may go out there and raise an additional $750 million to buy more Bitcoin. So as long as we've got this disjointed system of how, in fact, people can invest in Bitcoin, there seems to be room in the universe for one MicroStrategy.